Alright, today we're going to check out this new Huing 4-inch chainsaw. I'm really excited about this whole deal. It's a battery operated mini chainsaw. Sometimes you're tired of lugging around your big saw and you don't feel like firing up a gas motor. Well, this right here is the thing for you. It's got a 21 volt large capacity battery that slides right on here, and it's going to lock in, and it's going to give you, with the upgraded copper motor, it's going to give you a longer run time, and it's going to cut everything you need it to cut. So super handy design, super ergonomical design. Got a really nice firm grip here, so you're not going to have it slip out of your hands. Not going to have to worry about it. Got a nice adapter here, so you can hook in for, you know, if you're climbing a tree or whatever else, you need it to hook to your belt, or you just want a carry strap. It's a nice spot for it. And then it's also got another little adapter point up here. What's pretty cool about this saw, nice handy carrying bag with the proper tools that you need for taking off and changing out your chain, which, by the way, it comes with. Not a lot of these come with a spare chain. This one does. Nice charger and your owner's manual. Can't wait to get this thing out. We're going to get this out, and I'm going to show you exactly how this is operated and how we get use out of this, and we'll cut up a whole bunch of trees. So we're going to show you how this little handy saw operates. Design is supposed to be able to cut 4 inches or 3 inches in 4 seconds. So we'll give this a shot and just see how this thing turns out. But I'm pretty excited about it. Just like that, we got our tree down. This is really handy. Nothing other than a battery operated needed. You don't need any gas, no oil, nothing like that. So as you can see, this thing really actually cuts. It's super handy. I'm really excited to take this out and use this around the house. I mean, I've got plenty of trees, as you can see, that I'm going to need to trim up, and I don't feel like taking a big chainsaw around all the time. So this thing right here is going to be well worth it to have. Chain is super sharp, and it's going to stay sharp hopefully for a good while. Like I said, it's got a real nice design on it. Really handy, sits in your hand really nice, and it's got plenty of power. It's cutting through stuff really nice. So definitely go get one for yourself, and appreciate you watching.
beautiful case to keep everything in. So I'll get the instructions out. Here in the lid, you have a wrench for tightening it as well as a screwdriver. You have gloves to wear for protection. We have our battery. And this particular set comes with 2 batteries. Comes with 2 additional chains. The chain is already installed in your charger. So to use this, you just pretty much attach the battery onto the drill. You hold in the button here, and you've got a chainsaw. You're going to want to get some oil to put on it, just like any chainsaw. A lot of times I use like a 1030 weight, but you also have the safety guard here. So I'm going to take this out and do some tree limb cutting. And when you're using the chainsaw, it has a nice little light right here. I've been cutting down some old arborvitaes in my backyard that are dead. Found this little 4-inch chainsaw to be amazing for it. I'm going to go ahead and put the battery on. Then I always like to say to lubricate your chain. I found that the 1030 weight oil or chain oil works well. So we'll put some oil on there. Go ahead and get it worked in. Always recommend to wear eye protection. The gloves that come with it are really handy. And then I'll go ahead and I'll put on my earmuffs. Turn it on. Works just like that.